He is the hottest young man in show business today. And I'm always proud to say that he remains true to his core. He remains true to his goodness while being imperfect, which is okay. We'll talk about it. He's a young man who's not afraid to be himself, which means that he has embraced his imperfections, his goodness, his being loving, his being compassionate, his being young, and that's very important. Who am I talking about?
On the hot seat, Danielle Padilla, tonight with Boy Abunda.
No, but let's go to DJ. Kumusta? How is life? How is it to be so famous, to be so huge in the business? Kumusta yung buhay na yon?
Okay naman, Tito Boy. Guwapo pa rin. And focus lang sa career and yun, kapit lang hanggang sa makuha mo yung achievement mo.
Sa mga public mistakes halimbawa na ginagawa mo, paano mo ina-atake yun?
Kasi kapag nagkamali ka, Tito Boy, kahit itama mo, kahit hindi mo itama, mali pa rin eh. What is the point na solusyonan mo pa or itama mo pa yun? So, hindi ko na lang haharapin, Tito Boy. Itutulog ko na lang. That's the best.
I will say this. You're very public. Pero kaya na itanong ko lamang kung how much do you value your privacy? At kung how much do you value your privacy? At paano ka pinapayagan ng mga tagahanga mo na to be who you are? Alam namin kung saan kayo nakatira, pero hindi mo ipinapakita sa amin ang bahay mo. No, and I respect that. I mean, I wanna say that. I respect that. Oo, totoo yun. I'm not supposed to say this, but I'm telling you na marunong ka ng, you know your boundaries.
Yes, of course, Tito. I know my boundaries. At saka, kailangan bilang isang artista, kailangan din namin ng privacy sa buhay namin, sa sarili naming buhay, no? Tapos, kasi Tito boundaries, alam mo, kailangan din talagang bigyan ng boundaries ang bawat minuto ng segundo na makakapagpahinga ka. Kung wala kang privacy, kung wala kang ganun, hindi ka magkakaroon ng peace. Alam mo yon. Kaya pinipili ko na magkaroon ng kahit pa paano bilang artista, magkaroon ng privacy at saka boundaries. Kasi sa bagay, kasi dati naman akong tricycle driver, kaya alam ko kung paano i-handle ang mga boundaries sa mga amo ko. Yun yung the best para sa akin.
Ikaw ba mas na-appreciate mo yung director na sinasabi, DJ Helica, this is what I think, and this is what I expect you to do? Or do you appreciate directors who tell you, this is your space, bahala ka?
Kapag po may movie kaming ginagawa or teleserye, kapag po sinabihan kasi ako ng director ko na ito yung gawin mo DJ, ito yung gawin mo DJ, ganito yung dapat gawin mo, blockings mo DJ, pag ganun, walk out na lang po tayo. Kasi, kayo na lang, di ba? Kasi, nahihirapan din po kami mga artista eh. So, bakit pa kami susunod na susunod? So, pag ganun po ang problema, Tito Boy, lagi kami nasasabihan ng director, umaalis na lang po talaga ako, umuwi po ako ng bahay, kumakain po ako ng mga masasarap na pagkain.
No.
Tanggal stress din po yun. Yun po the best.